Page 97. This is a new unit on chord qualities. Things are getting heavier and hotter and heavier, hot and heavy. If you're confused and you're not sure about this, I would encourage you to go back through and review this junk. Because what you're learning here, you need to remember because you need to use it later, probably. Whether or not you're going to use this in the future, I have no idea, but it's in the book. We're going to go through it. It's just, this is hard to understand if you don't understand the other stuff we've done, or at least some of it. We've already had major and minor chords. Okay, remember a major chord is, we're talking triads. Okay, because a chord can have any number of notes in it. Triads. A major triad is a major third and a minor third. And a minor triad is a minor third and a major third. Okay, it's important you understand that. Because now we're talking augmented chords. Augment means to increase slightly. And an augmented chord is simply two major triads. A major triad and a major triad. I just augmented the chord a little bit. There's a little edgy feeling. Okay, that's an augmented chord. Don't make it complicated. Okay, you go up 4 half steps twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twice. All right, let's take another one. They got all kinds in there. I don't care. You should do them all. Let's go with B, here, A flat. I got a major third and a minor third. If I want to augment it, I simply take that minor third and make it a major third. It's an A flat augmented chord. A flat augmented. Isn't that nice? Okay. You see the symbol's a little plus sign? Okay. As far as playing them and fingering them and all that, that depends on what's in the music and what's needed. There's no standard fingering of this as far as I'm concerned. You can use the same fingering for the regular one here. For the augmented, however it went. But in real music with broken chords and all, fingering is liable to be most anything. Now, on the flip side, on page 98, we talk about diminished chords. We're just dealing with triads here. We're not dealing with 7th chords yet. Diminished chord. A diminished chord is simply 2 minor triads. Remember, augmented was 2 major, diminished is 2 minor. So here, if I take that major and take it down 1, I get diminished. Minor thirds. Here, you got 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3, and then another 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. So you take the minor chord and lower the top note 1 to make it minor. And that's the diminished chord. And its symbol is the little circle, or DIM, whichever. This would be a F diminished. We don't say F minor diminished. The diminished includes the minor. You don't need to be, that's redundant to try and do both. But just F diminished. Or we have a D minor, I can do D diminished. Whichever, that's all it is. And again, as far as fingering goes, it depends on what's in the music. That's that. Well, let's not take it any further. Just stick with that and see if you can absorb that without your head exploding first. And then we'll probably add to that later on. Won't that be fun? Something to look forward to. But let's just deal with that for now.